Today I look for a job. Today is an important day. I wake up early. It is 6:30 in the morning. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have a coffee. I am nervous, but happy. I have my resume. I have my knives. I take a deep breath. I leave the house. I walk down the street. I see many restaurants. I like the smell of the food. I enter a restaurant. The restaurant is big and clean. There is a big kitchen. I see the cooks. I talk to the boss. The boss is serious. He asks me questions. I listen. I answer. The boss thinks for a moment. Then he smiles. He offers me a job. I have my first job. I am very happy. I am very nervous. It is my first day. I want to do it well. I start today. I work in the kitchen. I learn new things. This is only the beginning.